Hi, hi guys, welcome back to another gaming video, and today I'm going to be playing Moomoo.io. So yeah, I'm in a clan right now, and I'm just going to try to get to age 8 until I get a katana, and so we are in the arena right here, right now. So yeah, I'm just going to wait till I get to age 8. Okay guys, I'm back, and I got the Dark Knight hat. It's really good, because when you hit people, let's say if they're not on your team and you need to heal up, it heals up automatically. So yeah, it's really good. But so yeah, I got it. It took a long time, but I got it. So yeah. Now I think I'm gonna kill some people. Let's kill people. Oh, this dude, you have Dark Knight too. I can't spell night. Oopsies. Night. There's a dude right here. They're from like the Goods clan. I don't know, but yeah. So we got the arena. Good Jones. Heck no. He is here. Okay. Oh, okay. Good Jones. Good Jones. We gotta kill him. We gotta lure him over here. Come on, come on. Oh, frick. Did he place a turret down? Oh, no, 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 no. Don't die, don't die. Ah, come on. We almost got him. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, come on. We gotta get him. I don't care if I don't have any gold. On, we gotta get this dude. Oh, he keeps healing right before I can kill him. Okay. Okay, we cornered him. We got him cornered. No! That freaking guy! Oh my gosh, he killed me. What? Come on. Hey, I'm gonna tell him to come over here. Hey, dude. You. Hey, cat, what are you doing here? I'm gonna get to age 2. This. Oh, come on. Why? I feel like what? I feel like it all just got like smaller. Like there's more space. Like the leaderboard got smaller. I died. Oh my gosh, I hate that dude. It's like the Goods clan or whatever. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I want to kill that dude, but he killed me. Darn it. Heal. I'm a friendly girl, needs to heal. Haha. Heal up! Heal! Yeah, everything just got smaller, like... It's kind of weird. Like, this got smaller, the leaderboard got smaller on my thing. I don't know why, but it just did. Okay, so... I got it. Oh, there's a person right here. Hi, I'm gonna say hi. I bet you I can beat this dude. He said hello. Okay. Ooh, let's kill this dude.
What? No way. No way.
Okay, got him. One kill right there. Boom. Oh, there's... What's up? Is this the arena? What? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, I need food. Oh, Mustafa's here? Are you serious? I'm gonna kill her. I'm sorry, I'm gonna end the video, like right now. Okay, 3. Bye guys, I hope you liked that video. Please subscribe, comment down below, and like the video. Bye, hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.